What's in it for me as a resident? Why should I care if Fairfax County is doing a strategic plan?
Well, you do live here, and you want to see this continue to be a great place to live, work, and play. And to be a great place to live, to work, and to play, you need to be involved with how we move our county forward. It's as simple. And if you want to be a part of it, you'll be either on September 16th in Burke, or September 17th in Falls Church, or the 18th in Chantilly, or in Reston on the 19th, Alexandria on the 23rd, and on September 25th, Tyson's Corner, Falls Church. I will be probably at 4 or 5 of those meetings myself. I think I have one conflict, but it's important. It's important to the team to see the residents involved. It's important for the team to see me involved, and it's important for everybody to be involved because this is Fairfax County today. The question is, where do you want to be in 2035, 2045, and 2055?